Before we start, you may be wondering, Bianca, why are you uploading on a Saturday? And that is because the same reason why I haven't been uploading. And that would be because I'm in school. I know, it's crazy. My schedule's gonna be whack from now on because I'm literally, it's not even like it's that much work. I just don't have the mental capacity to do YouTube right now. So, I will not be doing daily stuff. I mean, weekly. But I will be uploading. I just don't know when. But here's a video from like 2 months ago. So yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's Bianca and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new video for you guys, and I just said we, and it's only me, or I guess we. And it is going to be a room tour, so yeah. I want to do today's shout out, but not sure who to pick, so hold on. There are usually people who comment, but sometimes there'll be somebody who gives me a video idea. So if you give me a video idea or you leave a comment down below, then you will get a shout out. I'll shout out all of your social medias on the screen, and they will be linked down below. So, but this week's shout out is, I literally do not know how to say this. It's, you know what? Lord something. It's gonna be on the screen. So yeah, they were my 90th subscriber and commented on my last 2 videos. So I hope they're having a great day, and you guys should totally go check out their channel. It will be linked down below. And let's get back to the video. Welcome! Okay, so the first thing you see when you come into my room is actually not the back of the door. We're gonna start with the back of the door. So, this is my door. So flavorful. Stop looking at my feet! Oh. So flavorful. And this is my white balloon that I got from church. Okay, then this door, can you guess what this is? This is a pathway to outside. Another dimension. Just kidding. It is my closet. Sneak peek. Okay. Anyway. Oh wait, no. Come to my closet. Come on. This is my closet. Nearly 5 people can fit in here. Oh! A stack of clothes up here because laundry, and then my shoes and bags are on the bottom. Why are you zooming in and out? My shoes and bags are on the bottom, and dirty laundry. Then I have jackets on my door. So yeah, and this is just a bag for stuff. Anyway. Next we have my dresser. Very close. Dresser. So on top of my dress, if you can see my feet, I'm gonna kill you. So on top of my dresser, we have these 2 party things from a party in like 2012. 2 iPad boxes, a speaker, and then something right there, you can't see it because that's my last name. My dressers have clothes. Yes. Beside my dresser, I have stuff for coloring, and then in that box is a bunch of products for my business. Link in the description. Anyway, that is my my trash can, and then we come to my desk. So on my desk, we have, come closer please. Oh wait, we have my dry erase board that I was in the process of erasing before I started. But anyway, on my desk we have this terrific book. You guys should totally read it. And then a homework assignment, and then my school laptop. This is actually for my hair, but this is actually to clean my room. Hold on, my hair. This is stuff for the dry erase board, and then this picture, can't see that because my school name on it. Notebooks and stuff, non-school notebooks. I'm gonna just put a blur over this. Anyway, up here we have, I'll just blur that because, yeah, my last name and my school, if you're wondering what school I go to, playing. These are cards that I got last year. Picture of me, picture of my dad, picture of me, picture of my back, picture of me and my dad. Something from church, gotta blur that out. This is so complicated, my name is all over my room. Then that, so that's just stuff. I just skipped over my rosary. Anyway, here, more writing stuff. Earbuds, I have to hang this up. Are you looking in the camera? I have to hang this up, and then, you know, if it's bad, we're going to redo the whole thing. And then my Polaroid, which I got on the cruise. This I also got on the cruise. This is from Tortola. No, it's not. It's from British Virgin Islands. Vlog camera. My very nice, I can already tell how bad the lighting's going to be because the window's behind me. My very nice alarm clock. A B because that's the best letter in the alphabet, and a mirror. Also, this is for when I record sit-down video. Videos on my desk. Then on my window, if you couldn't see, I have my mini Lollipsy collection, and some of them are missing, some of them aren't up here, and that is not my whole collection, but it's okay. Anyway, my desk. My chair. Anyway, next. Oh my gosh, are those LED lights? Oh my gosh, is Bianca a teenager in 2020? Yes, I am, because every single one has these. But anyway, these are my LED lights. As you can see, one strand's not working. This is a birthday present from my friend. This is the best word to ever exist. bianca. And then right here to my bed. This is my bed. If you couldn't tell by now, my favorite color is white. My pillowcases, all the sheets under here and the pillow stuff are white. So anyway, this is Bumble, my companion. Excuse me. This is a blanket Miss Kim gave me, and this is a baby blanket. And then this is my headscarf / bonnet / head wrap. No, not head wrap. You know why? Because I'm black and I have to sleep. Anyway, next. This is my carpet. Gonna go around my feet. But if you, how is the camera up here and the carpet's down there? If you're wondering why the carpet is yellow and not white, I have doggies who, Arrow literally peed on this like 3 times, not even playing. And every time it goes in the wash, it comes out brighter yellow. So anyway, it is clean. It's clean, it's just dirty. You know what I'm saying? Next, we have my beloved slides, and almost everybody that knows me has seen me wear those. So I wear those actually a lot, and I've had them for like 2, 3, 1 year. Heard it for like 2 years, but anyway, this is, and this is my, supposed to be chalkboard. But anyway, it has pictures of Juice and Uzi on it, and then a broken CD, random beats, and a bunch of random stuff. Couldn't tell, those are my favorite artists. Anyway, coming over here, we have my Be Happy sign. Actually, it just says happy, but my happy sign. We have my bookshelf full of books that are so below my reading level. But anyway, skipped over the mirror. What is that? My laptop bag sunk. This is not even supposed to be my room. This is supposed to be on the back porch anyway. My ukulele from Puerto Rico. I'm having brain farts. A globe. Hate You Give, a great book. Everybody should go read it. Then after you read it, watch the movie. My God rock that I made at church. Then another thingy, and then more stuff. If you can't tell, I like traveling. Anyway, there's a secret part of my room. Yeah, take that to goes. That one thing in your house that everybody likes when they come in. Well, this is it, guys. This is it. I'm almost positive the camera's not gonna pick this up, but there is a B on my wall. A B, you know, you can see it totally, the letter B. Yeah, this is a mirror with my camera woman. Say hi. In the mirror, say hi. Okay, she won't talk. Well, anyway, we have my baby lamp. This has been in my room since I was a child. And we're supposed to throw this out. I don't want to. This is a candle that I'm pretty sure I found in the Instagram shop. Actually, my mom found. But anyway, we have a Harry Potter poster, then a Riverdale poster. So yeah, I do watch Riverdale. And down here to the most creative section of my room, we have my clock. And if you see this, you don't, okay? You don't see that. If you're wondering why the clock is not thrown away, I don't want to throw it away. This is my SAT study book, a random notebook, an envelope. This is Bianca. And then we have my Curious George, also a gift from a friend. My yoga mat for when I actually work out, which I need to start doing again. My super huge beanie boo, because I had a beanie boo phase in like 3rd grade. No, that's such a lie, in like 5th, 6th grade. But this is also something that's been with me for a long time. I've had this, dang, it's falling up. This is my Halloween basket from when I trick-or-treated as a bumblebee, which is also when I got Bumble. And there's supposed to be props that I was supposed to like not have anymore after like Halloween 2011, 12, 13, probably 2013. But they're still here. Anyway, I have a huge collection of yarn because I make bracelets. So yeah, link in the description. Please go buy stuff because support your friends' businesses. Anyway. The last thing we have is a headscarf, which I wore in like 3 videos. This is a pen. These, the best brand of pens ever. You're so close. Sorry. This is my hair wax that I've used like 1 time. Well, that was such a lie. I just lied to you guys. I did not use this once. I used it multiple times. But I need more colors. Anyway, then I have stuff to keep my room fresh because my room really struggles with that and I don't know why. And last, my light switch. You turned it on! My fan is not turning on. Oh, this one controls my LED lights. Turn the camera. It's the only one I have on because I only want to use those lights, not my main light. Oh! The grandest letter of the alphabet is B. Oh! Today's thing to comment. What is the first letter of your first name? Boom. Please comment because I like interacting with you guys. Now you guys know where I live, what I do, what this room is. Instead of Actually, I'm not even gonna say the few sections you see in the videos because you can really see a lot of my room when I film in here. But yeah, moving around a lot. I have a lot of energy today. I have to leave in like 15 minutes, so I will be editing this video and it will be going up. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Do not forget to smile and be kind. So yeah, bye guys.